Okay, one more BYOB example. Let us build an average command. Okay, so we want to find the average of some numbers. So I will step by step take you through this. I'll go to more blocks and I'll make a block. I will call it average. At this point, if you don't do any more clicking, you don't have the parameters that are part of the command. So if you click on options, I need a number input. If I want to average a number, maybe I want to average 3 numbers, who knows what. So I'll click 3 times for that. This would be if you want words, that's what strings are. This would be Boolean, which means true or false, yes or no. Label is just to put a comment on it. And so I will come over here and say the answer is in the variable result. Okay, that's just a comment on my define command. Now I happen not to like the long words of number 1, number 2, number 3, so I'm going to come over here and right mouse click right where it says that 1, and I'm going to edit that, and I'm going to call that N1, N2, and N3. That's my own personal preference. I'd rather work with those short variables. So what happens when someone gives you 3 numbers to average? Well, what you need to do is you need a variable, and that's going to be called the word result. So I'm going to make a variable called result. And now I'm going to set, I'm going to set the word result to be the sum of N1, N2, and N3 divided by 3. So I'm going to need to deal with operators. And so I'm going to have the plus command, and I'm going to need that more than once. In fact, I'm going to put 1 plus into the other one so I can add N1, N2, and N3. So that I'll just pull them down. Notice how I'm pulling them. I'm pulling them from the purple statement, and then I'm pushing this into that. So N1 plus N2 plus N3, and now we're going to divide that by 3. So I'll type the number 3 in, and I will put that in by its left side, right over there. And so result, whoops, I'm going to have to be careful where I drag it from. Result is the sum of N1, N2 plus N3, the sum of those 3 things divided by 3. And so now we have a program, and once we have this program, right, we can kind of move it to the side. We don't really need it anymore. And now in our program, we might have things where I would actually write average of 10, 20, and 33. And then I might say result for 2 seconds. And I can, of course, duplicate that if I have more averaging to do. And this will be 10, 20, and 33, or 333. And now when I run the program, green flag, I run the program, it says the average of the first 3 is 21. And look at that, that's 121. Coincidence? I don't think so. Anyway, you see how cool it is to add to the language. And once you add to the language, if you're ever going to use it again, take out your backpack and put that little block or subroutine into your backpack, and you'll be able to pull it out of any program that you want. Okay? Steve Bergen signing off. Hope you're getting good at making blocks. You're going to use them for various problems, and you're going to become a better programmer in doing this. Bye, everybody.